Hello and welcome to High Caliber TV, or source for figure model updates every Wednesday and Friday. So I am finally back in the workshop after the renovations this year, and I am proud to bring you an unboxing for the Viking Warrior 10th Century Wolf Hunter from DG Artwork. This figure is available at highcaliberminiatures.com. Really excited about this one, so let's just dive right into it. They're, as always, very well packed. Wow. So this is a 75mm full figure. As you can see, the detail is super crisp on this guy. Lots of great locating points. Very positive fit. And yeah, as per usual, the casting blocks are pretty minor, and they're on the undersurfaces of the feet, so you can just sand them off, underscore them, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's the main figure. This is the base, which is pretty fantastic. So that's one of his victims, I guess. That is so cool. Move on to the smaller components here. Also well packed. Got the shield there. Let's take a look. The shield's where you can get a lot of the character out on a Viking subject like this. So I'm excited to do some research and then inject a little bit of fiction into it. Alright, moving on. He's got his... Alright, looks like it's coming in a couple of different components here. So this is the axe head and his sidearm there, little dagger. Hand with the haft of the axe. Small casting block there, but that's nothing to worry too much about. This is the wolf pelt, I would, assume. Wow, this is the first time I've actually really sat down and looked at this figure, and I am very impressed. I'm going to be doing a build of one of these guys. Yeah, man, DG has been cranking out some really fantastic figures these days. So last couple of components here, we've got his, I guess you'd call that a short sword, single-handed sword. Fantastic. And his helmet. Yeah, wow. I cannot wait to get started on this kit. So, that's it right there. A little quick unboxing for you. Stick around, I'm going to be showing my pre-shaded version of this figure, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back. So, this is the Viking Wolf Hunter from DG Miniatures, built up, 75mm figure. Built him, counter-shaded him just so you could get a look at the definition. And yeah, he went together absolutely smoothly. Really fantastic fit on this guy. No cleanup other than the casting blocks, but I mean, that's pretty much par for the course for resin figures these days. And so yeah, it's to be expected. The only bit of work I had to do was there was a very small gap around here, just where some of the fur connects with the cloak. And so there's a really solid connecting port underneath this, like where his back is, connects to the cloak really well. And then so it's very clear where this joins. And then with my gluing process, I used AC glue, I think it's called, and which is the really strong bonding crazy glue, and crazy glue gel. So the gel, the AC connects this, and the gel I joined the gap with, and then when I squeezed them together, I held it and used the edge of a paper towel to clean that off, and that began the filling process. There's not much of a gap here, but I didn't want there to be any gap. So that began the filling process, let that dry, and then went back with a really thin roll of green stuff and just sort of worked that into any crevices that were left. But fortunately, because it's fur and it's irregular anyway, you don't really see it. So all the green stuff, I basically had to wipe away probably 80% of what I had put in and sort of pare it back down because the gap wasn't that big. So yeah, that's the only work I had to do on him. Other than that, absolutely fantastic. The pose is so cool, so aggressive. I cannot wait to get started on this figure. This build is going to be amazing. The base, which has, you know, a second 75mm figure on it, go figure. Really cool. That grisly wound he's got on his back. Tree stump. Yeah. Maker's mark there. This is amazing. I can't wait for this build to start. Ever since I did the raccoon back in 2017, I've been excited to take on another DG figure, and now that the renovations are done, the workshop's back up and running, I can get started. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Check the Wolf Hunter out and many more amazing resin figures on highcaliberminiatures.com. Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest. Some stuff goes up on Facebook. And also you can subscribe to our newsletter on the homepage, highcaliberminiatures.com, for the latest updates, figures that come in, and occasionally some special offers. So check that out. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.